Hey team, I'm Mark Barley from ADV Solutions and Barley Drift, and today we're kicking off a very exciting project. The reason it's very exciting is because I am not a mechanic and I'm going to be learning how to build a car from a rolling shell from scratch, basically. Although I'm not a mechanic, you'll soon meet Matt, who is, although he's never built a race car before, so we'll be doing this together and making mistakes and breaking things and fixing things and learning along the way. This whole thing came about from having a bunch of spare parts lying around. I had an LS1, I had a diff, I had some coilovers, and after 12 months of not being able to sell them, I figured we may as well build something. Matt and I had always joked that, we'd build his car out of the leftover running gear. Realistically, the only way that this would work would be if it was another S chassis or something similar. So when something came up in a driver's group that was a little bit different, I jumped on it. I messaged the seller. Matt and I went down and had a look at it on Saturday. They also had a bunch of spare parts lying around, so we managed to convince them to put it together as much as they could to get it rolling at least so we could get it on the trailer easy. The biggest issue we have in front of us is that we don't know what we don't know. Before we get started, let's have a look at what we do have. We've got a unique S13 mostly rolling shell with a cage. Most of the front suspension with aftermarket knuckles but stock arms in the rear. An LS1 with a standalone loom that needs a bit of TLC. A rear subframe with an R200 diff and axles to suit. We winched the rolling shell onto the trailer and took it back to HQ and grabbed the LS1 while we were there. The first task was going to be to give the LS1 a little bit of a birthday, so I ordered a VRS kit and a bolt kit to suit. I started to put together an inventory of the parts that I thought we'd need, and Matt and I were discussing some very ambitious plans like PDMs and wise fabs and quick change diffs, but really we needed to work out what the purpose of the car was going to be, determine the purpose and budget accordingly. Realistically, the purpose of this car is for Matt and I to learn how to build race cars, and then for Matt to learn how to drift, and potentially a seat time car for me. So we set the budget at 10k. Next episode we'll look at putting the VRS kit into the LS1 and potentially mounting it. If you're into car builds, hit like, subscribe and comment how far over the budget you think we're going to go. See you next time.
I don't know what I think. I think it's dirty and rusty. And old.